In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Telegram stories and how to add audio in a Telegram story. Let's get started right inside the Telegram app. First, open Telegram on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen where you see all your chats, look to the top area where stories are displayed. You should see your own profile picture with a small plus icon on it. Tap that to start creating a new story. Once you tap, Telegram will open the camera interface. Here, you can either record something new or choose an existing photo or video from your gallery. If you want to use existing media, look for the small gallery or picture icon, usually in the corner of the screen, and tap it. Then select the photo or video you want to use for your story. After you've chosen or recorded your content, you'll be taken to the editing screen. This is where you can add text, stickers, and importantly, music. On this screen, look for the music or audio icon. Depending on your version of Telegram, this might look like a small music note or an audio option in the toolbar. Tap on that to open the audio menu. Now you'll see different options for adding sound. Telegram may suggest popular tracks, or you might see categories and a search bar. If you want a specific song, use the search bar at the top to type the name of the track or artist. Give it a moment to load the results, then tap on the song you want to use. When you select a track, Telegram will let you preview it with your story. You can usually adjust which part of the song plays by dragging a slider along the audio timeline. Take a few seconds to line up the portion of the song that fits best with your photo or video. You can also check the volume level so the music doesn't overpower any original sound in your clip, if you still want that to be heard. Once you're happy with how it looks and sounds, confirm your selection to apply the music. From there, you can add any final touches, like text or stickers if you want. When everything is ready, tap the Post, Send, or Share button to publish your story with music to your Telegram profile. That's all you need to do to add music to your Telegram stories and make them more engaging and fun for your viewers.